this video I will guide you how to fix invalid destination address on Samsung S24 Fe. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset if you want to fix this problem. So reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on continue. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.